Welcome to JPC Screwed Up Wall Layer Definition videos. Here's the point. JPC has a plan right here. This is what he's building right here. W. You ever seen this kind of a mess right here? Look at this. Look at this crap right here. What is he doing? Well, there's a problem here with this wall definition, U. His problem is he's got it defined as, he has the main layer defined as the chipboard. See that? Main layer chipboard? Does that make sense? No. I'm telling you, no, it doesn't make sense. Let's do a framing view. Let's look at the framing. Alt J. Where's the framing? You don't see it, right? Why don't you see it? Because he framed it. Let's go ahead and frame the darn thing. J. Automatic floor framing, automatic wall framing, and automatic roof framing. Okay. There. Now he's got it. Does he have it yet? No. Because if you look at this, there's a couple walls here that's not framed, right? This wall right here is not framed, right? Which wall is that? It's this wall right here. Why isn't it framed? Because I'm going to tell you right now. There it is, right there. Why is it not framed? Because he has the drywall as the main layer, not the wall framing. You've got to select the wall framing as the main layer. Period. This is X5. X6 might be different. Watch this. I'm now going to get that wall framed, right? There it is. It's now framed. His first mistake, right? What's this right here? U. What's this, a slab specification? Phew, nonsense. Who's going to frame a piece of concrete that's 12 inches thick, right? Another mistake. Learn to build your slabs, JPC. Nonsense. Nonsense. So where are we going from here? I don't know. I'm on the first level right here. Pull it back here. Line it up with this. And pull it back to here. I'm not sure what he's got. I'm just so pissed off. Anyway, there it is right there. Now he's got the wall framing. Now, so I think I have that framed correctly, but here's the problem right here. Let's take a look at this wall right here. He has a couple walls that are framed incorrectly. Did I already change this? I already changed this. Okay, perfect. Done. Now let's take a look at this thing and see what the real first problem was. He had the drywall as the main layer, so it didn't frame, and all sorts of mess happened. Now let's take a look at this right here, F6, and take a look at this. He's got a gap right there. Why does he have a gap right there? Why does he have a gap right there? I am looking at this condition right here. You get what I'm saying? That condition right there. Let's look at this wall. How many layers does he have? One layer on each side of the main layer. 1 and 1. Cancel. That's a problem because this has 1, 2, 3, 4 layers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers on it. You got to have the same number of layers. I've done videos on this shit, man. I'm going to get rid of this just for the fun of it, okay? So now I'm going to say he's got 3 layers. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. You see that? That's the main layer. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this layer right here have three layers too, right? Define. Back up a second. I'm going to flip layers. I just flipped layers, so now the main layer's on the outside layer. It's still a problem, isn't it? Because he's got this crap right here, right? So you've got to select this wall right here. I don't care how you do it. Give it 3 freaking layers, man. Insert. Insert. Get rid of one of them. Delete. So I think he wants a 1/2 inch total. So I'm going to give this 0.2 0.25, and this is oh shit, I don't know what is this, 1/8. Give this 1/8. Make this 1/4 inch. I'm going to make this. I think that layers. I think this layer. Wait. Oh, delete that. I think this layer right here. He wants to be. I think he's using color white or something. I'm not sure what he's using. Color white. That's what he wants it to be. So I now have the essentially the same wall thickness that he has. But I bet I got rid of that crap that he has. See that? I got rid of that crap. Remember he had a gap right here? I don't have a gap anymore. Because what I'm telling you is this layer right here, this wall right here, if I define it, I have, see the main layer? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 layers right there. How many layers does this wall here have? Define. 1, 2, 3. He's got 3 layers. It's finishing it up, right? That's the whole point. So now here's the question. Do you want this brick to be shown or not? I say no in this case. So I select this wall, U, structure, through. I'm not going to see the brick anymore. See that? I don't see the brick anymore. You see that? I don't see the brick anymore. You pick it up. There it is right there. You want to see the brick? Well, come over to here to this wall right here and select through. Now I see the brick. You got what I'm saying? That's all I'm getting at on this stuff. JPC made 2 big major mistakes. First of all, on this wall here, if JPC goes back to this wall right here, wall type, what he did is he had that drywall as the main layer. I say make it the drywall layer. I mean, make it the stud layer. That's the main layer. And then the next mistake he made is he didn't have 3 layers. Why does he need 3 layers? Because he needs 3 layers because the wall that it intersects has 3 layers, which is this wall right here. U, define. He's got 1, 2, 3. If you don't have the 3 layers to match, you're going to get the gap, okay? Now, what I started out with in the very beginning was I made a statement that if you don't make the stud layer the main layer, it's not going to get framed. You got what I'm saying? Alt-J. I'm going to look at the framing. You think I got all the framing? Darn right I have all the framing. There it is right there. Now, let's go back and change this. W, F6. Let's go back and change this. Let's change this. Let's just for an experiment, U, define. Let's make that the main layer. That's the main layer, okay? What's going to happen? You're going to lose the framing on that particular wall. Watch what happens. Well, you lost a lot of framing, didn't you? Now let's go over to this wall right here. U, define. Let's make that the main layer. You think you're going to get any studs? No. Watch this. No studs. I'm losing all my studs, aren't I? What about this wall here? U, define. I'm not sure which wall it is. What wall is left? Maybe it's this one right here. U, define. Yeah, make that the main layer, and I'm going to lose all my studs completely, I think. There you go. I lost all my studs. JPC made 3 mistakes. First of all, he did not define the studs as the main layer. That was a mistake. Big mistake. Now I'm getting my studs back. Pick this up. Anyway, you got the idea. Studs need to be the main layer prior to X6. I'm not sure what X6 is going to be. And then he did not have the same number of layers on the outside layer of the stud layer for everything to work out because he got a gap. 10 minutes is up. I'm done. I had to redo this because the other one bricked up. That's the end.